morning from the No Business Knob shelter. It's cold AF right now. Definitely not a fan of the weather today. Cold AF for sure, but it's supposed to be some more snow coming this evening. It says only like 2 to 3 inches on Appalachian Trail weather for the next shelter, but it's 5,500 feet up. Wind chill's supposed to be 5 degrees. I'm not trying to hike in low visibility snow at all. So I'm definitely gonna wait it out. It's just, don't have enough service to upload if I stay here tonight, and really don't have that much food. I have enough food, but I don't know. Not in the best mood right now.
Appreciate you coming scoop me up, Steve. Getting the video out tonight because of him.
Beautiful bathhouse right there. Can't wait to take a shower. Not expecting to land here when I got with Steve earlier. I'm not mad about it though. I was expecting to just get into town and upload a video, grab some food, and get back to Spivey Gap. Really, I could have made it all the way here today. I don't know what my deal was. I mean, it would have been like 18 miles, but I don't know. I had this weird feeling in my stomach, anxiety. Yeah, this is a really nice hostel. Grateful for the opportunity to come by here and check it out. This is the first time I've ever seen it in 3 trips through, so I got lucky catching Steve out there at the Gap earlier. I really appreciate it, man. Steve runs a local shuttle service, Unicoi Shuttles, and he really does a lot for the community out here. So if y'all are passing through the area and y'all need a shuttle, hit him up. I'm gonna leave his information in the video description. Pleasure to meet you, Guido. This is definitely what I had planned when I woke up this morning. It's not too bad though, I like it. Really grateful I had the opportunity to come by this time and check it out. This is the Nature's Inn Hostel. They actually got really lucky for Hurricane Helene. Didn't get any damage. Well, I say any. They had one tree fall around the bunkhouse onto a building, but it lightly damaged the roof. Other than that, they made out really well over here. But yeah, it's a lovely space. There's at least 4 or 5 private cabins, plus a nice little bunk room, and this amazing little common area. The bathhouse is great. I can't wait to take a shower over there. Likely tomorrow night, I'm thinking. Good chance I'll slack pack back over here tomorrow afternoon and then crash here again tomorrow night, but that's just a working plan right now. The frozen pizza was good, but I burnt my mouth to hell. It's like impossible for me to eat a pizza without destroying my mouth, I swear. I almost forgot. I met Where's Dutch today. He's also got a YouTube channel and he recommended this spot. That's really how I ended up here. I'm gonna put his link in the description. I want y'all to check him out. Good to meet you, man.